Tape script 11.32.1.
Hey, Dara, what's up?
Hey, Bopa, I finished my picture for history. What do you think?
Did you say for history class? Hey, is that Uncle what?
Yep, it's Uncle What the way it looked 800 years ago.
800 years ago? Dara, is that a pizza shop?
Yes, imagine the pizza they ate 800 years ago.
Dara, there weren't pizza shops 800 years ago. They didn't know Italians and they didn't know about pizza.
Are you sure they didn't eat pizza 800 years ago?
Yes, I'm sure. And they didn't go water skiing either.
But then why was there water outside Uncle What?
Dara, they didn't go water skiing.
Fine. I do like the girls on the bikes though. I love bike riding. They rode bikes.
What's wrong with you, Dara? They didn't have bikes. Of course they didn't ride bikes. And they didn't wear t-shirts either.
Don't be stupid, Bopa. What did they wear?
I don't know. But they didn't wear purple t-shirts and say Dara is cool on the front.
Bopa,
Yes, Dara?
you're not very good at history.
Whatever, Dara.
Tape script 11.32.2.
Hey, Linda.
Hi, Bopa. What have you got there?
It's a paper fortune teller. It only tells the truth. It's always right.
Hey, cool. We play these in England as well. Can I have a go?
Sure. Okay. First, what is your favorite color?
Yellow. It's so happy. That's why I love it.
Okay. Your favorite color is yellow. Yellow has 6 letters, so I need to move this 6 times. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Okay, next one. What's your favorite number?
7. That's the number of pairs of shoes I have.
Really? Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, last one.
Okay, 13.
Okay, let's see. It says you are ugly.
What?
Ugly, it means not beautiful, bad looking.
I know what it means. That's not right. Try again.
Okay.
Purple.
P-U-R-P-L-E.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
7.
Yep. It says you are ugly. It's true.
What? Give me that. But these all say you are ugly.
Well, if you're always ugly, you're always ugly.
Whatever.
Tape script 1.32.3. Hello, sweetie. Are you being good?
Yes, Mom. How is Auntie Ned's house?
Oh, it's nice. She's good. She says hello. What are you doing now?
I'm doing my homework. I have lots of maths homework to do.
Oh, good. And are you eating right? Did you eat the vegetables for dinner last night?
Oh, yes, Mom. They were yummy. They were much better than pizza.
And you're brushing your hair every day and cleaning your teeth?
Oh, of course, Mom. I always brush my hair and teeth. You know that.
And you're watching your baby sister?
Yes, she is being good. Everything is okay.
And she isn't getting in trouble?
No, Mom. She's right here next to me.
Dara, are you lying to me?
Mom, no, I am not. I never lie. I am a good boy.
Are you sure, Dara?
Of course I am. Why?
Dara, look behind you.
Oh, hi, Mom. You're home early.
Yes.